Yo, Shadow. Oh. What? You want to go gather up all our friends? Well, some of our friends, have a Nerf war? Ooh, a Nerf war. Last time I was gonna win it and I got shot in midair. Jeez. Anyway, sure. You have a team, I have a team. Let's go. Bet.
A few minutes later.
Alright, Silver. I got my group. Alright, bro. Oh my goodness. So, Silver, you ready? Yeah, but where are our guns? They're over there. Bro, you gave my team the worst guns. Never said they had to be the best ones. Well, here's my team anyway. Ugh. I just want some food. Ugh. Bro, you got everyone but Sonic Superform. And why is my Superform so fat? I don't know. I found him in the trash can and I thought he was a good fit. Stop waving. Just get your guns. Well, since I'm the leader, I'm getting the best one. I'll take second best then. Okay. This ain't food. Bro has never heard of a gym. Bro's built like Peppa Pig's father. Bro, when he starts walking, there's gonna be an earthquake. 3, 2, 1. Attack! Wait, guys. What? We don't have any bullets. Yeah, we do. They're right there. Then why haven't we loaded yet? Fine, everyone get some bullets. Did everyone get their bullets? I guess. Yep. Oh. Look like green cheese sticks. I only got 2 because y'all snatched them up like the hooligans you are. Okay, well, we're all ready, so now we can begin. 3, 2, 1. Go! Knuckles, let's go take cover. Okay. Metal, come on. Come on, Fat Super Shadow. We gotta go catch up to them.
Oh, look a girl trying to take my place.
Okay.
Except this works more like a popular pace. Girl, honestly, I'm surprised how you know.
I see him.
Like it's too old, girl. You should be already. I'm sure, but at least I was real. All in favor we get rid of you. Yeah, that's the deal. I was building an empire. You're smoking ashes. I'm a full-blown fire.
So close.
You brag about chaos like it's some type of clown, but you drown in your own rose. Now stay down. They were all flash, no roots, no death. You burned out, quick, no air left to breath. You burned bridges and called it art. I got kingdoms where you tore apart. Stay.
Silver! No! You'll pay for this! He's running towards us. I gotta shoot.
Oh, look a girl trying to take
Bro, he caught the bullet, and he's coming. Come on. Oh, shoot, I accidentally shot. I missed. Come on, reload.
Oh, girl, you should be already. I was messing sure, but at least I was real. All in favor, we get rid of you. Yeah, that's the deal.
Metal retreat!
Empire, you're smoking ashes. I'm a full-blown fire. You brag stay down, you were all flat.
How did you catch the bullet?
You burned out,
just
put no
caught
air
it.
left to breath.
Now let's get back to this
You
war.
burned bridges and called it art. I built kingdoms
cut my
where
hand.
you tore apart. Stay
You know what? I'll
loud,
use it as
stay
ammo.
bitter. It's all
Yeah, you
know.
do that.
How I rule
I'm
you
gonna
twice, now
teach
it's
this
the
man a
shadow.
lesson. What? I win. Gotta glide back. I did it. That's good. I also got that bullet out of my hand. Silver's losing the battle. Let's go. Matter of fact, where's my team? Shoot. Oh. No. My team cannot be losing like this. They're knocked out, and I'm the only one left. I don't know what to do. Silver. Why can't you just give up? Your team is gone, and you're laying on the floor. Like Nick A. Cannon said, never back down, never what? Never give up. So, okay, that was not needed at all. But now, I'm gonna take you out. Who was that? Oh, God. SBO. I should have known. Well, I don't know if you know, but you might want to take a look at your team back there. What? No, I was winning. That you had to come along. I guess I can take a 2v1. Bring it then. Oh, no. This is not a 2v1. This is a man for himself. Let's go. Huh. Jeez.
Metal Sonic here.
I can get his gun. What's up, SBO? Bring it. Oh, no time to go invisible.
So it's Metal Sonic and Knuckles.
Where did he
and
go?
We are making a rap tango.
Wait a minute.
And today
I
we
just
are
follow
about
that.
to drop Foxy and Roxy Friends on 8259.
Looks like I
So,
found you,
as you
buddy.
know, we are about to beat this
Guess
in
I gotta do it again.
Like they only have 18 videos, so what's that? They don't even have anything, not even a price, because we got more fame. Also, why do they even have 109? Well, that is kind of fine.
You really thought you were gonna win this, huh?
That's not okay.
You're not winning, Shadow. Oh, yes, I am.
And make sure to hit that notification
that hurt
bell
a lot.
so that you don't miss
Now
when we
you just
post a
stay
video. We are just chilling on the couch
What you
when
done?
we see
All of
that
our
Foxy
allies
and Boxy
gone. Not literally, but
109.
gone.
We cannot go that long. That's because
just us
they
two
are
now.
doing it all
And
wrong.
now I'm gonna
That's
end it
why
all.
we decided
Gonna end
to
it all.
make our own
Not to
song.
myself.
Their
This isn't
song was
real,
trash.
right?
Like, what was that? Man,
Could I
we
even
didn't mess
use
up
to
our
get
words
to
yet
him?
because we had a bet that we would not confess. And if you guys did not realize that
Better
we
yet,
are the
how about you?
most famous.
It's anything for the win at this point. But why'd you have to grab the big plastic knife? This was the final chance. I guess I win. Nothing else for me to do. Might as well leave. Oh boy. Betrayal. One of the worst things you could ever feel. Just because I was knocked out didn't mean I was dead. I came back. Whoa! Oh, I'm so hungry. Could eat 14 cheeseburgers. I'm gonna go eat them.